GC News, Mema Bawumia Campaign. I have here latest and hot news in Kwa Enamide Bremo. And until so we now subscribe to say over subscribe to the channel. The way I say over click the subscribe button. Now we belly notification. We answer new video be upload. When the first person I was abeka a video. I feel we are now like video. Give us a thumbs up. Now feel Shema of Frosuna when you be here now who and summer elcoso elwo Ghana memohan. Afi Yembura ye and summer abeto yepunso. A year summer Okudzeto Ablakwa one a year minister for works and housing. A year Oppong Nkrumah to say it was super papa. We cannot we aka and simply bring made na year Kosovo down spillage ya. Sabre no semi course no one day a year asraf we police a soldier for echo three no one withdraw and the quay and simbi no na Okudzeto Ablakwa a summer year Kojo Oppong Nkrumah say obi in simbiano and no dey echiwasho echo hono na year story ni we be video no say the sanse we nyina echo e any can hear a year story na ebeto amontin one story no I say watch heated exchanges between Oppong Nkrumah and Ablakwa over military withdrawal during dam spillage. Now, what can story no say the Minister of Works and Housing, Oppong Nkrumah, and Chairman of the Governance and Assurance Committee, Okudzeto Ablakwa, engaged in a verbal exchange over the withdrawal of military personnel from North Tongu during the Akoto Dam spillage. Not to say a year Okudzeto Ablakwa or Kojo Oppong Nkrumah it was so echo one term here. We can verbal exchange. In the Nigeria, Kosovo dance play one a year, a self one coho, one withdraw one free honor. Now, what was also the intense argument led committee members to intervene, prompting a suspension of the meeting to calm tension. Let us say, committee and I wanted to honor. Do we know so the bear, young Prince I am suspended on the bear, will be a comma at the perform, not tension up with 200 of the bear at the bar form. Or say, the tension began when Ablakwa, who is also the member of parliament for North Tongu, questioned the minister's decision to withdraw military personnel at the peak of the disaster, sparking a defensive response from Oppong Nkrumah. Yes, as a military for a criminal through I know now question a year Kojo Oppong Nkrumah and also Ibufuya or also to say and say a man acquiring also 18 years and some and no day it was show a cobaye. Now, what was I say? Kojo Oppong Nkrumah then accused Okudzeto of using his role as chairman of the Governance and Assurance Committee to become a bully pulpit. So I say we say Okudzeto Ablakwa bully pulpit. Not just say what the committee be remember bomb training. Now what was I say? Following this, someone Okudzeto theme demanding a retraction and apology from the minister. And Tebasa Okudzeto so nakuma by was hey. Sebeya and assassin kind on Kinsing sign now one part a culture. Now to say, Honorable Minister, you will be well advised to watch your diction. You will be well advised. I will not take that. I will not take that to suggest that I'm using this position as a bully pulpit. To say which is not this as small can obey or need to say on the committee, you know, because or no, I am a bully pulpit. Or say you have to retract that because that is not what I'm doing here. You must retract and apologize. As I say a year, Oppong Nkrumah, as I no kind of say bully pulpit, and a year one drinking side now, one patch. Now, you make a video now, as I was you a course over. Now we can't, we are can't, and yes, and Ketwa. You heard the course of committee and Braille. Sansa Winina, a copy and a Kojo Oppong Nkrumah, a copy of Honoma to say, will be sun say. You heard a year and summer a course of Honoma. You have
accused us here of playing political football, of deflecting, and of introducing red herrings into our conversation. We have to have a right to respond to those accusations that you have made. You earlier accused us of insincerity. And I suggested to you that, with great respect, without a challenge to the fact that you are chairman of this committee and that this is a committee of parliament, I mentioned to you earlier that there's work that is ongoing. Within 14 days, the regional minister and myself will be back on the ground. This will not be the first time. We'll be back on the ground to engage with the contractors and make a determination
news on YouTube.
of why they are behind schedule, and when they will complete. And when that is done, I'll be able to ferry to this committee updated timelines of when they'll be complete. But Chairman, I'm saying to you that if you introduce a concept of insincerity, of playing partisan football, of deflecting and introducing red herrings, it is respectfully within my right to also draw your attention to instances where I am of the view you have done same. But I don't think that that is what we are here to do for the benefit of the Ghanaian people. For the people in these areas, the number one interest that they have is that we complete these projects on time for people to benefit. But if you choose, Chairman, respectfully, to accuse me before the whole country of playing partisan football, not being sincere, of deflecting and of introducing red herrings, then I have a right in my own defense to draw your attention to instances where I believe you have done same. I don't think that's what we are here to do. Specific on this matter, within 14 days, myself and the regional minister will be on ground once again. We will engage with the contractors. We will have clearer timelines, which I will share with you. If we want to go into the questions of parliamentary football and deflection, I don't think that you intend to use your committee as a bully pulpit to invite ministers and make these accusations and not give them an opportunity to answer.
Honorable Minister, to suggest that I am using this position as a bully pulpit, you have to retract that, because that is not what I'm doing here.
So,
I
Chairman,
am well within my standing orders. You have to retract that.
Chairman,
you must retract and apologize for that statement.
But it is okay.
I will not
It is okay for the chairman of the committee and the committee to accuse the minister of being insincere, of deflecting without more, and I do not have the right to answer or to say that I share a different view.
So you think that it is okay that for a whole year, fellow citizens are living in a tent?
We can have a conversation.
You think that it is fine?
Chairman,
you think that is the best as leaders? We are all leaders.
That's a conversation we can have.
You think that is the best we can do for our people?
No, Chairman, that's not it. That's a conversation we can have. And I think we've legitimately gone through that. But if you choose to accuse me of insincerity, of introducing red herrings, of deflecting, that is not about the people. That is you accusing me.
Of course, because we are
but
not...
But if you are accusing me, I must have a right to respond.
You are introducing matters that are not before us, matters that you have your facts totally wrong.
Which matters are these?
The movement of the soldiers, you have... That was not before us. You introduced...
I have fact... No,
are we discussing soldiers here?
You introduced...
Are we discussing soldiers here?
You introduced insincerity.
Please, media, take off your cameras, please. Take off.
With the greatest...
No, we're fine. We're good. No, this is a live coverage. We're okay. We're okay. We're fine.
Suspension for some few minutes, Chair, with the greatest respect. Suspension for some few minutes.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
Suspension for some few minutes.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
All right. The majority of colleagues want a suspension for 5 minutes for Prempeh's
Thank you very much.
So I will rule that we suspend proceedings for 5 minutes.
Thank you.
You ejifo were and several course or Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa or they could do Oppong Nkrumah to say and Yasam Kitua Echiwashupa we kana uyaka. You know the base and say what is suspended and to say Akumana ba from kakra and akwe sebibiri ohorum. You ejifo yinti a yes I reporting so ababi tuga yinti is asimi.
The other far-reaching proposals so are here in the manifesto on under governance. You say this business of politicians and politically exposed persons buying state assets adoso dodo say we can't take it any longer. Obibe na ne will mo who say oh yeah forest Ramsey site wawele to nephews forever. Obiti cabinet na or ton your hotels or to hotels no obi ton bungalows ya sase ne dia ya cheni nyina from Accra to Kumasi to Tamale to Ho. And we are speaking to facts. My name said last week, who monitor my latest exposé and here. And my intercepted all the documents. Sales are Akoto. Prime lands. State lands. Prime lands. Me what documents no.
Honorable Bobby ma'am, maybe you're interested pa.
Where your cantonments cantonments, La Wireless area.
Okay.
President Akufo Addo, what said 2 weeks ago, Lands Minister Behode press conference, can say, oh, ignore me now. The lands are safe, intact, secure. They are not selling public lands.
Okay.
I mean, the deception, the blatant lies. Minya, documents, no, are frightening. President Akufo Addo, she said, we're done the whole land contractor. Under Article 257, when I say we protected these lands for us. All public lands are vested in you as president to protect them for us. But President Akufo Addo selling them to his party members and appointees, his cronies. Indicate Gyamfi, 31st August 2022. Women's organizer, yes. She cannot challenge this. Yeah. Let's also Yatamamano.
National Women Organizer.
National Women Organizer, MPP. 31st August 2022. And President Akufo Addo Tomano.
Autonomy.
Ope price no. Sikana Good question. Mini obe collapse. Enti documents ni nyina me wawa ha. O share the price of more.
Because a location no.
Location, not
the price.
Not the price.
But price na location one.
Yeah. Will you believe
say hot news all
for
time.
A plot?
You are watching
Omutia
news
between just 181 and 250. Obia antia more than 250,000 cities.
Oh, how?
Cities, cantonments. Meanwhile, conservative value for a plot. Conservative.
Cantonments.
Yeah, the amount of $500,000. That's 7.7 million. Now, so President Akufo Addo or the party for less than 200,000 cities. Cantonments, La Wireless, AU Village, baby, President Kufuor see the AU Ghana 50.
Village, no?
AU, that prime location, Free Zones Board area.
Kate
Gyamfi, our listeners. Ibrahim Mohammed Awad, Minister for Tourism, Arts and Culture. 30th November 2020.
What's some date in the time account?
Oh, yes, 30th November. Dr. Ernest Yedu Addison, Governor of the Bank of Ghana. Who are governor? Governor, you are the most paid, the best paid person in Ghana. Yasasi ye nyina ye dia. Oduso oko ye don come no. For what?
Enti Addison so to aban asase.
Ono so to aban asase. 31st August 2022. 31st August. We have all the documents here.
Okay.
Obian to me challenge. Ni deputies ni nyina almost line up say, hey, yes so ye pebi. LC Addo Awazi, Deputy Governor, 27 August 2020. Maso Opoku Afari, on also 31st August 2022. And Joseph Boahin Edu, CEO of Cocoa Board.
Why?
Joseph Boahin Edu. Cocoa Board, on also Atobi, 30th October 2020. Dr. Janet Ampedu Fofie, Chairperson, Presidential Emoluments Committee, 29th June 2022. Kwabena Agyarko, President Akufo Addo's appointee on the Ghana Airport Company Limited. On also 22nd October 2022. And Okoto Nidia. Anselm Ralsford Ajete Sowa, Ghana's High Commissioner to Canada. 14th October 2020. Anna Asari Odro, former MPP Women's Organizer. Holland chapter. 25th February 2021. Onem say, you can expect one name, say, or no, they're all messy out. Ken Ofori Test Enterprise Insurance, on also 15 December 2023. On also say he has to participate. He will not let it go. Or no, he doesn't give any small opportunity chance. Kwesi Etua, Board Chair, President Akufo Addo appointee no, on also 14 October 2020. Georgina Wood, 15th October 2020.
Georgina Wood, man.
Former Chief Justice.
Oh, man.
This is what is going on.
Oh, man.
Inti assassinat, or land looting, state capture. These are the documents.
Mami dinya hame.
Man. Inti, that's what is going on. Inti, the can say, be bani. Inti under the new NDC manifesto. Operation Retrieve or Loot.
Okay. Okay. Maybe press meeting.
Because President Mahama and Ubekaya Professor Mills ye be 2009. Baby a ye foreign ministry or yes foreign ministry.
Okay.
Omoton Emma cabinet ministers. Anka one sizia. Anka say you to be in foreign ministry. Enti you are serving notice.
Of which my foreign affairs
minister.
Sir,
it has to go. Minia, it has to go. Enti the year can say, look, enough is enough. You be banning all politicians, government officials, and politically exposed persons from buying state assets. The other far-reaching proposal I made the pan say, on my way, wouldn't say, who be some ministers no say, ya sasi ayawo, Sena Aka. What is the state of these lands? They cannot tell you. Me wa hands at the water. 3rd February 2022.
Okay.
More than 2 years ago, Minia. This is the official document of
Parliamentary
Parliament. Parliamentary Hansard. Kwame Governance Agboja Chief Whip and 3rd February 2022 who can column 37 and now Obisa the Lands Minister.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
Mr. Speaker, I rise to ask the Minister for Lands and Natural Resources which government land and landed properties have been disposed of and transferred to private individuals since 2017.
Okay.
And the cost of each of the properties transferred.
Okay.
Meaning a behu pandemonium in Parliament.
Obisa asem no.
Obisa asem. Lands Minister say, wait there, we need time. Mankind, see, Mr. Speaker, the 16 Regional Lands Commission are in the process of compiling the records of all government lands and land properties transferred. And I'll duly brief the House when the exercise is complete. Mr. Speaker, as the House may agree with me to compile a list on government land and landed properties that have been disposed of and transferred to private individuals since 2017, and the cost of each of them requires time and effort. And in accordance with the highest standards of transparent account, I've asked that the records be compiled from 1993. FBC and then my committee, Assurances Committee, and Chebia just about 3 weeks ago. And yes, someone a minister and said, Charlie, go 3 years. Watch a dodo. But my list no. Or say, I cannot, I need more time. Mumma up to end of year. Can you believe that?
End of year.
End of year. Meanwhile, Tonwan or Motong. Mumbe records, I know they are to me, my but every day, every week you hear no motor. This list is just one area. Mimba Labone, that's another scandal on its own. Mindru Airport, Mindru Kumasi, the air cost of Kumasi, wow, Kumasi, mania. The rich lands in Kumasi, Ube collapse.
I'm glad I'm too for
Minia. And you ask yourself, at this rate. Meanwhile, Ubekaya, President Akufo Addo Ankasa, Nenumasem, Okachire Ghana for say, promise no Agenda 111 during COVID, say obese hospitals within a year. The reason why I went to me and for feeling is he had issues, challenges with land. Land acquisition became a major problem. When to me, anya asase, omudi besi hospitals. Inti, how is it that nipa who complain say, yeni asase do na asa. Inti, aban upese who see hospital krana, to me anya asase in see hospitals. Why are you still engaged in these opaque sales? And the yani say, omo ton asase no kra, omo advertise yo. Ema Ghana for you na also what upese who compete here. Or more advertising, no transparency. Kanana, quietly, and it's not even for market value. Until what is coming to the national kitty cry, until we are losing on all fronts. Who lose assassino? You are also losing money. You are not getting any real value for these lands that are being sold. Until for the first time in the history of our country, you better create your friend State Asset Registry.
State Asset Registry.
Yabeye. Until Ghana for nyina be hu send a year brew of parliament just to get lands data on lands. You say all the data will be put on a website. In Century for citizens. You be hu.
Sasa we are
bind there. Our Bumprugu yo our Bole our Doma our North Tongu.
I can't wait to.
We are going to publish that. In addition to that, bungalows, your forests, your cars, all of them. Be a bind there. It will be published. State Asset Registry. And in addition to that, you see, selling of lands to politically exposed persons. Then you Pualugu. You're spending $11.9 million.
Oh, Bawumia say we
Parliamentary committee, you call her, nothing to show. The place is overgrown with
la
weeds.
ila ila.
Weeds. $11.9 million. $11.9 million.
We have a video about me. See
Oh, call your journalist. Munko Poalugo to see. And Komeri and Kase Bagri Dam or maybe will not all be NAPO force emergency or Muhia Sika. They've written to us in Parliament. They are everybody scrambling. And Komeri Dam now, we will not be where we are. In addition to that, Ejapa, we thought say you're stopping Ejapa in Parliament because Omobai Kase Yempene, so we are not going to. This is part of their Ejapa agenda. We will not allow it. Unknown to us, Omwako blow $12 million our land. It's stated. It is in the Auditor General's report. It appeared.
Ejapa.
It came up at the Public Account Committee.
$12 million.
$12 million. Yebiso almost na per office our London. They were trying to list on the London Stock Exchange and all of that. $12 million. Myth what Ako spending. They cannot give us a breakdown as we speak. Into Operation Retrieve All Loot there, Ebebaso. Me know Kasa say, when you say National Cathedral, you are spending $58.1 million. And know your taxes in Kwao, $339 million. Amenana, the world's most expensive pit. And no taxes, no. Donations in Kaho, the Munyana will cement, no. A software. Yeah. No, sir. As I said, my distinction, sir. $58 million, so a taxes in Kwan.
Me cement in
Kaho. Into all the other, and no, you're valuing about $3.5 million and $58 million.
Okay.
Into the world's most expensive pit. There has to be retrievers. Sir, architect now, your friend David Ajay. Unim say, after yet 32 million cedis, inflationary pricing or you know.
Drawings, no?
Yeah, drawings.
32 million
Ghana cedis for drawings, you know.
Charlie.
And drawing you know. And minim nipa or secretariat or kase drawing where you know restaurant in Kaho. You per restaurant you best serve food from Israel, Jerusalem, manna and other things into for restaurant car design neho. Unim saying or charge just for restaurant, adding restaurant.
Restaurant design.
$5.8 million. Not cedis. Dollars.
Debbie, Sammy, please. Sammy, please. This one day, I beg you. After 32 million Ghana cedis paid.
Yeah.
Just adding a design.
Yeah.
Of a restaurant.
Yeah.
To the National Cathedral. It was 5.2 million.
5.8
million dollars.
Yeah. $5.8 million. Memo letters nina. What's a me intercepted documents? Me who documents now? I don't talk about it. I'll give you all of that. These are facts. Facts.
You're waiting for waiting and someone about Betuga again. Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa, what they could do. Oppong Nkrumah Disaster, we can and somebody or committee nasi. Now the cow said, "You see me so and our heno." So when you subscribe, we are Omodian so be subscribe. We say hadi later and hot news in boy and the Bremo. We are now free. While I keep video, give us a thumbs up. Now free. Share my offer for us now. When you be here, now who and somewhere also Ghana memohano. Also with me at share what you fire and some way now. Comment box me. In my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.